How to fix TikTok comments not showing. TikTok comment glitch. First of all, it depends on whether the issue is with your own video's comment section or someone else's video. If you're unable to see comments on your own video, it might be because comments are turned off. To check this, tap on the three-line option in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Once you're there, head over to Privacy, then tap on Comments. From here, make sure that comments are allowed for everyone. Now, if the issue is with someone else's video, it's possible that the creator has disabled comments for that specific video. You can try opening other videos and see if comments appear there. If you notice that no videos on TikTok are showing comments at all, then it could be a glitch with the app itself. In that case, press and hold the TikTok app icon, then tap on the I button to open App Info on Android. If you're using an iPhone, go to Settings is greater than General and then offload the app. After that, go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache, and you can also clear data. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out of your account, so if you don't remember your credentials, it's better to only clear cache. Once done, open your Play Store, search for the TikTok app, and check if there's an update available. If there is, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully, one of these methods helps fix your problem. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.